Welcome back to Fionis India Home Workout Series. We have AMRAP 20 as the workout of the day. So we'll see what are the warm-up for the AMRAP. So we have 360-degree jump, 10 numbers to be done twice, 2 rounds, followed by lunge and twist. And then we have pass-throughs, again to improve your mobility for the shoulders because we have overhead squat as our workout. So in the AMRAP 20 we have overhead squat, thread the needle and bicycle crunch, 15 numbers each. So try to do as many rounds as possible in 20 minutes. So AMRAP is as many rounds as possible in 20 minutes. Hope you are ready for the workout. So let us go to the demo from Anu. So we'll start with the warm-up for the day. We'll have 360-degree jump. So jump from a place and come back to the same position. So beginners, you can take slowly, one leg off, try to rotate. Yeah, so the next one is the lunge and twist. So lunge forward and twist. Lunge forward and twist. Twist in the direction in which your leg is coming forward. So the right leg is coming forward, twist to the right. So repeat this 10 on the right, 10 on the left. Then we take the pass through. So take your broom, basically to improve your mobility of the shoulders. So hold it as wide as possible. If finding it easier, then close your grip. Keep your elbows straight. Bring it back and forth without bending the elbows. Without bending the elbows, bring it back and forth. So make one rotation which is coming back and going forward. So like this, do 10 numbers. So these are the 3 exercises for the warm-up. Repeat them for second round and then your warm-up is done. Let us go to the workout of the day, which is as many rounds as possible in 20 minutes. The first workout is overhead squat. So again, keep your elbows straight. Keep your elbows straight, bend down, go as low as possible, don't bend your elbows. The broom should be behind your ears, armpit facing forward, hold it tight and do 15 numbers. The second workout is thread the needle. So come to the plank position, full plank position. Okay, lift one of your hand, take it up and pass through it inside the plank. Beginners, you can land your knees. Come forward, come forward. So repeat this 15 numbers on the right and 15 numbers on the left. Next we have bicycle crunch. So lift your torso up. Try to touch your elbow to the knee. Don't strain your neck. Keep your neck relaxed. Feel the stretch along your obliques. Relax. So that's the end of the workout. Now we'll go to the cool down. So raise one of your leg. Try to touch with your alternate arm the toe and then bring it to the side. Ensure that the other arm stays on the ground, especially the shoulders. Then only you will feel the twist. Repeat the other side. Hold it for 15 seconds. Don't lift the shoulders. Both the shoulders should be on the ground. Feel the twist. Hold it for 15 seconds. We'll move to the next. Cool down. Cross over your leg. Pull it towards you. Pull it towards you with both your arms inside your thighs. Pull it as close to the chest. You will feel the stretch along your piriformis. Repeat it with the other leg. Hold it for 15 seconds. Go to the next. So stretch one of your arm, roll over. As you roll over, you will be crushing your shoulders down. The other arm should be straight. So both the arms are now making perpendicular to each other. Hold it for 15 counts. As you have rolled over on the shoulder, you will be squeezing the shoulders, which will be later relaxing it. Repeat it for the other arm. Roll over to the shoulder, crushing your shoulder. The other arm should be straight. Hold it for 15 counts. That completes our cool down for the day. Have a great workout. Bye.